My name is Marco Reichle. I am the general manager of the company Reichle Technology Center, and I'm specialized for the business area of our laser texture department. The 2012 and nowadays we moved from a service supplier with only one machine into an integrated service supplier, especially for the automotive industry, with nowadays 13 laser machines here in Europe. That means also we are the biggest service supplier for laser texture. Or we started the laser texture technology in 2012, but we stopped the traditional chemical etching process in 2013 totally. Because we don't believe that the chemical etching is the right technology for the future demands of our customers, of the automotive market. For me, there are two mega trends. The one is the e-mobility and the other one is the autonomous driving. And when you sit in an autonomous driving car, you have a lot of time for feeling and seeing the new designs, for feeling how does the product feels, how does the graining feels. And in my opinion, the surface texture is one of the most important things of a plastic part. It's not the whole geometric or the plastic material, because you can do a lot of variations done only by the texture. And that means also with the e-mobility you can see a very polaristic design. There are new design trends, so most of the e-mobility cars looks a bit different to the general or standard versions. That means also you can see that the market is moving from leather grains and fine grains. You could see the last 20 years into new geometrical designs. So that means the designs are quite more important because there are a lot of gradients in the surface. You don't want to see only straight geometrical grains, so you want to see that your car is living. The development time schedule of the automotive industry with each new car is decreasing and decreasing. In comparison between the chemical etching we did years ago, and also the laser graining nowadays, you can see that besides moving your employees in thinking and in working with the whole process, you can decrease the whole lead time for doing the graining of an injection tool really huge. That means in the past, for example, for an engine cover, you needed 2 weeks or 3 weeks done by chemical etching, and nowadays you can do the same job with new with new geometrical grainings. That means that they are quite difficult. You can reduce the lead time to 1 week, for example. That means also with a new laser 1000S, we are able to reduce the machine running time of around 30, 40, 50%. And it depends on the shape of the graining itself, and also particularly on the graining. And by reducing the machine running time, you are able to reduce also the costs and reducing also the prices. That means you can develop new things, or you can laser grain new tools for the same cost like the chemical etching. The laser 1200S is not only receiving a new machine, so it's more than getting the new opportunity for new markets, breaking into new markets, getting new customers. So it's a really big investment for us or for the future. We developed this sample part. It looks really simple, but all of the critical areas you can get in a serial injection tool are put in this sample part. That means you have a very complex shape with convex and concave surface. Here you can test some different angles for the accessibility of the laser beam. And all of the grainings our designers developed in the past will be tested on this tool before starting the first laser process on a serial tool. And that was also the reason why we tested this part on the new laser 1200S for testing the machine running time, especially of the movement or of the Z-axis movement, and also for testing the quality. If there will be a quality improvement, especially of the new laser machines. And after doing this test, we can say that the machine running time was reduced up to 45%, and also the quality was really better. The collaboration between us and GF is really close. And that's what I work with GF, or what I like with the work together with GF.